So the first thing you're going to want to do is to open your file. This may take a moment. It's a little bit of a larger file. Okay, and you will have to click Enable Editing, and if it allows you to enable macros, this is a component of this particular program, and so you're going to have to click both of those buttons. Now, if it gives you this error that it's a security risk, you can close out the file. It won't work until you take care of the security components. Click and choose Properties. And then you want to make sure that you click Unblock. Okay, and you can either apply that, click OK, and then reopen your file. In this case, it should allow you to enable this macro content. If you were lucky enough, it depends on how your PC was set up, if this popped up in the first place, but you have to make sure that you enable content in order to be able to use this particular file. It does rely on macros in order to do that. Okay, so that is the basic setup, and what's going to happen the first time you open it is that it's going to ask you to enter your full name. Okay, I'm just going to enter a dummy name for today, and you will click OK. Now, you don't really see this name go anywhere. It is hidden a little bit, but the next time that you open up this file, so I'm going to close this out. I'm going to click a little save on this. And then I'm going to reopen that file so that you can see that once you have entered your name the first time, it's going to greet you and the name that you put in every other time that you open it. So entering that name is a one-time solution. Okay, this is your basic setup, how to download. And while that name doesn't show, there's a few reasons you can choose that name option. While it doesn't show visibly, if you are concerned that maybe another student is doing the assignment and sharing it with others, okay, that is a way to prevent this. Or if you just want to make sure that you know that this product is yours, it's for your class, this is a great way to do this.